Let's start with, where do we start? Okay, so first off, you want to pick the AI tool that you're going to want to use. And I'm going to introduce the ones that I recommend. You're going to want to review your data and clean up discrepancies or inconsistencies. So for example, when you export something out of your point of sale system or your CRM or your email, it's not always 100% clean. So this is something you are going to need to do. Now, there are AI tools out there that can help you with that, but you do need to understand the data, okay? But little things that make a difference are like formats, dates, or numbers. The other thing you want to do is anonymize your data. You want to make it confidential. So I'm going to show an example that I pulled out 6 years of sales from an online Shopify store, and I changed the client's name to XYZ store. All you have to do, open it in Excel, find and replace. Find and replace is your friend, okay? But do not give confidential information to any of the AI tools that I'm going to show you today, okay? So keep that in mind. Also, do not put in customer information. So one of the things I always strip out is I strip out the customer's name. But if you notice, you'll often see you have a little key in your data when it's exported, and you can map other things, okay? Always remove addresses, phone numbers, but it's okay to keep things like city, state, zip code, because this is, again, anonymous information, all right? And then always question the AI. What I mean by that is ask it if it's giving you the right. And you're in this field, so she's like, yep, that's a very important part, because it will give you advice, and then you'll be like, if you're an expert at something like insurance or cleaning or any of the things that you guys are experts at, you should correct it if you see something. And it's really important that you be experts at some of the components that you're working with AI.